Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. I've said it many times, and yes, I'm a sauceaholic. Okay, I like making sauces. I have a sauce for everything. Besides using the classic ones, I also created many on my own, like this one, my red wine cream sauce. Flavorful, this condiment pairs so well with many proteins. Last month, I posted my coffee cocoa pork tenderloin, and this featured recipe wraps it up so beautifully. So let's get cooking. In a skillet over medium-high heat, we'll add butter, and when it starts sizzling, we'll add finely chopped shallots. We'll stir well and saute them for 1.5 to 2 minutes. To this, we'll pour in dry red wine as well as beef broth, and then we'll season with hot paprika and freshly ground mixed peppercorns. I don't really use just black pepper. It's always the mixed ones. We'll give it a good stir and bring the mixture to a boil. When it gets there, we'll reduce the heat to medium and let it simmer for 5 minutes. A few minutes later, we'll add some heavy cream, blend it into the mixture, increase the heat to high, and bring the sauce to a low boil. As soon as it starts boiling, we'll pour in our cornstarch mixture and stir until the sauce thickens, which should take about 45 seconds. It's that fast. Et voila! Our sauce is ready. And my friends, this is our red wine cream sauce. Creamy and delicious, this condiment adds a touch of class to your dinner. It takes just 15 minutes and it's ready to enjoy. I hope you give it a try soon and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!